Hello.
Oh, what's up guys? I was expecting you. Welcome to Bali. This is my crib. Come on in. Yeah, so this is the Hustle House. We are here in Canggu, Bali, and I'll give you a quick tour. So right here we have our main hustle table. We got Lucas there, he's hustling away. And over here we got our kitchen, you know, not much in the kitchen. Don't cook too much, pretty much we eat out, but I'll show you real quick what is in the fridge. In the fridge we got, you know, tons of beer. We got that stocked with the bentang. We got some San Miguel's in here and tons of juice and vodka. You know how we do it up here in Bali, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, so let me show you the main area. One of my favorite parts about this villa are the gongs. So we are online entrepreneurs, we have online businesses, so anytime we close a deal or we make some money, we come over here and we ring the gongs. This would be closing a 5K sale, 4K, 3K, 2K, 1K, and less than 1K. So for example, Dom, who's holding the camera, he hit 15K last month, so he's gonna ring this 3 times because he did 3 5K deals. All right, let's show you the pool. This is our pool. I like to come out here, get a little workout in by the pool. As you can see, we got the classic pink flamingo in here. You can swim, take some laps. Just have a beautiful view. Over here, we just have some green rice fields in the distance, some more green paddy rice fields in the distance. The outdoor patio area. And here we have a view of the villa here. We have a view of the top story that we'll show you in a bit.
Now, follow me now, you can won't get on. Salute it easy, carry on. You can try me, give me 50 if you do it wrong.
Oh, my other favorite thing are these big pots. If you like pot, we got that. We got the most pot. So upstairs we got 2 main bedrooms. We got Dom in this one, Tim in this one. Let me show you. Classic, beautiful room. Sun is setting right now. Tim's got his beautiful workstation set up here. Of course, you got the tripod if you want to create some videos. Beautiful bed. Go ahead and quick glance at the master bedroom, walk-in closet. We have this bridge to the outside. You can kind of yell to people down there like, "Hey, what you doing here, Lucas? What's going on?
Shut up, Lucas.
Hey, shut up, I'm recording." Then you have another set of sliding doors that separates to the outside, and then you come out here. This is the top patio, and I love this place. Today I was just sitting with my laptop right here, tripod, filming some videos for my course, for my digital nomad course, and yeah.
When is that coming out?
Should be soon. You know, you can check the link below. So that's the top patio, and of course we have a family of Tiki Men. So these are our brothers. They are our protectors, and they protect us from bad clients and nuisances. So thank you, Mr. Tiki. And over here you have another bedroom. This is Dom's room. He's holding the camera right now. So thanks, Dom. He's got his workstation set up right here. As you can see, he's running some crazy nerdy program. I don't know what he's doing. He's a coder, developer. So there was 2 bedrooms upstairs. We also have 4 bedrooms downstairs. So let's check it out. Anyway, we have a bedroom here. 1 bedroom. Bedroom here. Another bedroom here. And I really love the lamps. So the cool thing I love about this room is you can stand over here. I love this Buddha. There's the Buddha here, and this Buddha gives you good vibes. So make sure you gotta have plenty of Buddhas in your place. And I love the lamps that they have here. I love these lamps, all right? Gotta have good lamps. If your lamp game is proper, you know what's up. All right, and then here is the 6th and final room. As you can see, beautiful. It's got lamps for feng shui. Usually, this is my room right now, so usually I just keep this lamp on for good feng shui. And I got my little Tiki Man here. All right, now let me show you the garage and you can check out my whip. So right here, we got the Honda Click F1 125 supercharged Hemi motorcycle. Now, I like to take this baby and just start her right up and cruise through Bali and put my helmet on and just buckle up and just cruise, and it is a beautiful life going around Bali. So, you know, I've been known to get a few ladies in this whip. You know, she hops on the back, you know, we go cruising on the beach. It's just a great life. So, you know, it's my baby, and you know, I'm gonna get some new rims soon, but yeah, check out later. All right guys, I gave you a tour of our hustle house in Bali. You can check it out on Airbnb, and you ain't gotta go home, but you gotta get the heck out of here. I will see you guys in Bali. If you're coming through, follow me on Instagram, catch me around the world. And if you want to be a digital nomad, this video was sponsored by my Digital Nomad University. So go back to your jobs, and I'll see you guys out here in Bali. Peace.